Hi everyone, and welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to convert a regular chandelier or pendant lamp into a swag lamp with its own plug. That is always a question for people. I've made a video in the past where I just screwed on a swag lamp kit because it needed extra cord and wire nutted it together. This is a better way, and this is better if you don't need any extra wire extension. Now this is just a regular chandelier. I have a shop light in my garage and I wanted to replace it with a vintage lamp. I found out that my shop light was actually not hardwired and it was a plug-in removable shop light. The reason I wanted to do it is because the fluorescent bulbs suck. So that being said, this came with a Westinghouse vintage style light bulb. They're about $5 a piece when it comes to replacement. I will probably just use a regular light bulb. Now to do this, you can see here I have 3 wires. You cannot use a 2-prong plug adapter for this. This style is really great. My local store does not have this style in a 3-prong. I like this because it just opens up and these prongs pierce your wire. It's just a simple add-on. You put it in and you close it. This is made by Cooper. They call it a snap-on super plug. They did not have the 3-prong. Okay, you need a 3-prong. So this is what they had for 3-prong. They had a couple different styles. I've used this in the past for extension cord repair, and they're real easy to use. So let me show you how this is done. First, we just start by taking out the Phillips screw, and this separates into 2 pieces. It also can help you to curl the end of your wires. I like to go over the edge of my screwdriver. They bend easily enough that it's not a problem. On other versions of this, these are removable. They've changed the style a little bit to make it easier for you to use it. So here you can see I'm just wrapping it around, and then we'll tighten the screw down. And repeat the same process for all the different prongs. Alright, so I'm going to start with my black or my white wire and do my green last. I'm doing that because there's a little guide of metal on the side of that can make it hard to feed that through. I don't know if you can see that or not. So I like to work with it just so I can slip it in and get it into the right location, following our colors. Okay, so sometimes the little prongs attaching the wires can take some coaxing, but you can see here how I've used this little cutout to help guide the wire onto the post. So it's the same thing all the way around. And then simply slide this on here, securing it with the little screw that came with it. Be very careful with that. It's very tiny and easily lost. That's why I like the snap-on quick style plug adapter. Now it is not to any code to just have exposed wire nuts, and if you do decide to do it that way, as I had posted in a video that I'd made a couple of years ago, make sure you cover the wire nuts with electrical tape. And they make different colors of electrical tape, in case you don't know, so that it can match your cord and plug. So let's plug it in and give it a try. if you're interested, this is a Westinghouse pendant. 62028 is the number, and it was about $29 or $25 at Menards. So, just like that, we've turned our regular pendant lamp or chandelier into a plug-in lamp instead of hardwired. That's how you do it, folks. It was easy. The separate plug was $3. You can add it to any garage sale light or lamp.